daog magbaog ta kay napakoy report ugma abi pa lang kamo ning cream sok 5 guys. Minimum age of criminal responsibility. A child 15 years of age or under at the time of commission of the offense shall be exempt for criminal liability. However, a child shall be subjected for intervention program.